Borosilicate glass makes it more resistant to thermal shock. On top is spill-proof bamboo lid, along with wide mouth opening for easy cleaning. Comes with unique bamboo and silicone straw for stylish sip. Cleaning brush fits perfectly inside the straws for better cleaning. Removable silicone sleeve for easy grip. Lightweight, durable and B.P.A free. This 450ml glass tumbler is surely the glass tumbler that will let you drink your favourite beverages in style. Easy to carry around the office, travel and more.